Good morning. Today we're going to be making a quick carrot. This is a more so follow along tutorial. I'll go ahead and do a little bit of voiceover for us to be able to get this better, but we're just going to hop right into it and get started. I'm using my love and hate relationship sizer here, so we're just going to go ahead and use that. I love how I give it a name or whatever. Alright, my love, we're going to go ahead and just start with that assembly. Of course, you're going to start from the smallest size and work your way up. And this is our carrot, guys. So we're going to move our carrot to the back, and we're going to go ahead and make our leaf, of course. Alright, guys, so for our handful, we're going to need a 260 balloon. In this case, I'm going to be doing a darker green and a dark green, a regular green, and a lime green to give it more je ne sais quoi. What we're going to do is find our middle. Is find our middle and combine, taking our smaller end and just wrapping it around, and now we have For this weave, what we're going to do is just tie the ends together because I want it to be long. Take another two. You can do opposite of the same color, it doesn't matter. Take this, A and B, and just wrap them together. Look how long that leaf is. I'm actually going to take an orange 260 to attach the whole thing on. Before you attach, you can take the smaller one and the bigger one and just put them all together, or you can do them separately. I'm going to put them together just so I can get a different dimension and to be able to twist it how I really want it to be. before I go ahead and install. And now this is our leaves, guys. We're just gonna go ahead and install it onto our carrot. Before installing it onto your carrot, I like to use the same color that I use as my carrot, just so when I blend it in, it can blend in seamlessly. And here's what I'm talking about. And voila, this is our funky carrot. And even if you look at it, it has so much different layers, different dimensions. You can go ahead and slide it in between just to hide all of your little. And this is our carrot, guys. Go ahead and stick around for the full look so you can see what our Easter holiday selfie area is going to look like. Hello everyone, welcome to Queen's Decor. My name is Decor Harris and I am the owner of Queen's Decor LLC. Queen's Decor is your event planning one-stop shop for all of your party needs. A party rental shop, a balloon shop, and a full-time event planning company. We also have our intimate space that hold up to 50 guests. And yes, I know what you're thinking. We're open to any and all event types. Everyone is welcome. We also have our luxury kids line that's here for affordable events for your little ones. Our luxury kids line is weekly. We offer full decor, food, drinks, some beautiful TikTok moves, and of course they'll be safe because we have all of our clinical clearances.